Can you imagine waking up and having a $900 payment in your bank account just while you were working 2 hours a day the day before? And what if I told you it was possible even with your busy schedule? My name is Sherry, and I am here to help people launch an automated business with a 2 hour workday and be able to make that passive income that we so deserve for ourselves and our family. So, I want to explain digital marketing with the Legacy Builder program is designed for beginners to fit into any busy lifestyle, whether you have a 9 to 5 or whatever your busy schedule is, because it's only 2 hours of content. What digital marketing is we're content creators. We put content out there and we promote our digital programs. I have 4 digital programs that are in the e-learning business, and all 4 programs will teach you how to do marketing on social media. So it helps this process of having the automated system that works for you, that you don't have to worry about being on your phone constantly. It helps everyone. The process is for anyone, that even beginners can succeed on this. The Legacy Builder program, it helps anybody learn because it's a simple step by step, easy to follow system. And the program is geared towards busy people, parents, you work 9 to 5, and anyone that has little time, because we teach you the 2 hour workday. And not only that, the program that does that allows you to focus on key elements of the marketing, and that is done in the 2 hour workday. So why this is so important that you should get started on this is it's a perfect fit for that busy lifestyle, whether you're a home mom or you got kids carting them around. It can be easy for to spend time with your family and the hobbies and travel, and in between juggling with the kids, maybe they got football practice or they got dance class, whatever it is, you can fit this into your schedule and make it a 2 hour workday in any aspect of the day that you have free time. You're waiting for the kids to get out of school. You got 15 minutes. You can create content. You're at a football practice with your kids or whatever, and you got time to sit there and watch your kids and create some more content. Whatever it is self explanatory inside the program. It is easy to do, step by step process. And how do you get started? Signing up for the Legacy Builder program that I have for you, waiting for you to get started. The link is right there for you. I will put that in with this video. And setting up the automated system is fairly easy because you have the instructions right there on a video. And if not, we have the 24-hour text support that we offer with this program to get everybody up and running as they need to, So we do 2 to 3 tech Zooms a week. Also, you can message our tech support if you do not know tech at all and don't even want to mess with it. They offer that service too for a fee, though. Okay, so setting up the automated system is fairly easy. I didn't know exactly what I was doing because I had no idea what the details were, but I followed the directions in the video and was able to navigate through that. And starting the digital marketing aspects, once you don't even have to wait for your website to be set up, but you can start marketing yourself right now, telling people exactly what needs to be done in this program, what you're going to be doing, give them hints of where you're going to go, put your goals in there, showcase the process and how it's built you to get you up and earning quickly, and you can describe that in your content if you want to. It is simple to do. So all we do is we urge you to get started, and these offers that we have to getting into this, they're not going to last forever. Oh, they might. Because we have well over 38,000 people in this community already, and we keep growing and growing. But get into this program now and start earning, so you're not kicking your behind later and why you didn't get into this before. So signing up for the Legacy Builder, getting started there on your journey, and start earning that $900 a day. The difference between where you are now and where you could be is this decision that you make right now. So I urge you to check it out, get into this program, and start earning for you and your family.